Hey y'all, this Devin. Yesterday he wanted a. We went to Walmart. He had no idea what he was getting yesterday. We was browsing around. He saw one of his buddies, and he didn't know he was going to get the Splatball gun. I didn't tell him, so he was trying to. Him and his buddy was looking at the gun, and he didn't know he was getting it. But I'm gonna let Devin explain how it happened yesterday, where we was at, and everything. Go ahead, Devin.
Okay, I had picked out a Nerf gun from the Nerf section, right? It was like a gun, and like another thing, ammo, right? We went back to the Splat section, and I saw one of my friends. We were talking about it. He said they got the thing down on a discount for $59. So I said, yeah, they do. And I said that one of my other friends got one with a drill battery on it. He said, yeah. Then he went out. He said, he said, if you want this, you got to pick the other Nerf gun back. I said, okay. I ran back.
What did you think when I said that? When I said you didn't think you was getting either one, you thought you were just looking at it.
I thought I was just looking at it.
And
I genuinely thought that you were high.
Have I ever been high?
No.
Okay then. What are you talking? You thought I was talking out of my head?
Yes.
So say that. So I thought you were talking out your head. Don't say that. I thought you was high. I don't get high.
Weird.
Huh?
That was weird.
I know. Say that. Don't say.
Last time when you bought me the other 400, I pitched myself that you were lying.
Do I lie to you about getting you guns or anything like that? I always tell you, if you ask me for a gun, I tell you we'll if I don't have the money, huh?
You'll think and see.
Yeah, if I tell you, you know, we'll think about it. But I always tell you about your grades and all that stuff, don't I?
Yeah, like you said last time, if you have good grades, you can't even window shop.
That's right. But your actions rewards. Just like it's consequences for your action, it's rewards for your action. You do good, you do right and everything, then I have no problem buying you what you want, what you ask for, if I can get it. So go ahead, explain to them what that is. Look at lift the box up so they can see what it is.
This right here is the SRB 1200 with a 1200 round. What the SRB 1200 stand for is the 1200 round magazine. Because what it says 1,200 easy load, 1,200 round drum magazine, 7.5 millimeter water beads ammo, 11 full auto blast, 11 splatterballs per second.
Okay. Now, mind y'all, most of the guns that I ever bought, Devin, I'm gonna be the one he shoot with it. But this gonna be different. He ain't shooting me. He ain't gonna be shooting me. All right, you gotta back up a little bit. I can't see you. There you go.
Right here we have the gun, and it's from the back here is really heavy.
Okay.
Not this right here is like really light.
And what's that? That's the gun. That's the gun itself. Hold it back up.
Here's
What's
the gun itself?
And what's the name of that?
The SRB 1200.
SRB 1200. Okay. So boys and girls, y'all want an SRB 1200? Devin has it. He's gonna demonstrate it. He's opening it up out the box, showing y'all the components. Go ahead. What is that?
Here we have the scrap attachment. If you have the 400 sub, you can take the scrap off of it and then slide it right here, pick the scrap on it, and you can have it right here instead of the stock.
Okay.
Right here you have the battery. It is a 7.4 volt battery.
Okay.
Right here you have 12. You have five 1200 packs.
Okay. That's the 7,500.
Huh?
Is that the 7,500 rounds? What is it? But that's all right.
1,200.
How many of those you got?
5.
Okay.
Right here is the safety glasses.
Okay.
And everybody know safety first.
Yeah. What the one thing you have to have?
Before I shoot anything, does it go with the glasses?
Mm-hmm.
First, then we have the stock. The stock is pretty hard, but except for right here, it's kind of rubbery.
Yeah, that because it's up against you.
It's kind of rubbery.
Yeah.
And right here, we have a funnel to funnel the bees into the drum.
Okay.
And here, we have the 1,200 round magazine.
That's a big magazine, boy.
I told you so. No reason why I say it don't hurt. It holds 1,200 rounds.
Okay. That's a lot.
Now, if you guys want to put your battery in it, it'll say.
Now he gonna assemble it and shoot it. Go ahead.
And you can focus it right here. It says the battery compartment is gonna open down here.
Okay.
And the little thing right here, just pull it out.
Okay.
After you do that, you don't immediately connect it. You slide it into the gun.
Okay.
And then like that. Then and then now you connect it.
Okay. Oh, it lit up. Okay.
Yep. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this gun right here is a sensor gun. So if you leave your gun like
unattended,
it's gonna turn off.
Okay.
As soon as you pick it back up, it's gonna turn right back on.
Okay, that's a good feature. Okay.
Oh, and the firing switch on this gun, there's no semi-auto. It's just full auto.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put the scraps and the stock, since I already had the scrap piece on it already.
Okay.
And here's the scrap piece, the stock. It's pretty comfy.
Okay.
Here.
So you want to be comfortable while you shooting somebody? Okay.
So now we're gonna open up the drum. Just take the funnel. Get the funnel. Wait, I have to open this first. We have the Orbeez right here. There's 7. They're the Orbeez that we need, and I actually got more. I didn't have it grown up yet because I have a little bit of them at home.
You need me to hold it?
Oh.
Look, you dropping a handful. You ain't got to fill it up. You're just gonna shoot a couple of them.
I'm taking the stock off and these attachment on. Now we're gonna shoot the trash can.
Okay. All right, whoa. That's enough. That's too powerful. Boys and girls always shoot that outside.
Yeah.
Not inside, not at nobody's face, cause those things hurt.
They'll. And then, if you're a boy and you're out here shooting each other, please, for the love of God, wear a long sleeve shirt. Cause if you don't wear a long sleeve shirt, your parents gonna ask you why you got all the bumps on your arms.
Cause you know I'm gonna ask. Okay, that's enough for that ricochet hit me in the eye. That's good. So Mr. Devin got his gun. He didn't know he was getting it, and I got it for him for doing all the good stuff he does.
Oh,
so,
and this right here, the safe, it says stop, do not return to the product to the store. Only thing you need to do, if your gun is not working properly, call the phone number. You're calling Splatball, and then just tell them what's wrong with the gun, and they'll probably help you fix it while you're on the phone. And if they don't help you fix it, you just have to go get a new one.
Yep, they'll send you one if you got the plan, the 2-year plan.
And y'all saw how it was off? I just picked it up and it just turned back on.
Okay. Y'all got to remember, Devin lived for these guns. He loved these guns.
And the side.
And gun wars and all that stuff.
And right here.
Camping and all that. Huh?
On the side right here, beside the auto switch, I'm gonna tell you what it says. It says put on safe X, load, aim, take off, safe X, and fire.
Okay.
And I like it because I used to only get the 400s because I believe that this was, well, it still is. It's a really big fat gun, and I kind of like the now that I got the 1200. It's not fat. It's just it's long, this skinny, and like it's fat down here.
Yeah, it's bigger.
That's the only difference it is. But with the 400, it's smaller.
Yeah, that's why the size is bigger. It holds more and it's more powerful. Supposed to be. That's why I can't believe it was on sale for $60, $59, because it costs double that.
And it's better you getting it in the store than getting it offline. Cause in offline, it's like $120.
Yeah, what I say, it's half price. That's why it's
you
selling.
go to Walmart.
Yeah.
It's like they got it on sale now for $59, so basically $60, including taxes.
Yeah. Yep. But anyway, he wanted to show y'all his unboxing. His what you said is it's
SRB 1200.
SRB 1200. So I hope he shoot people other than me, and I ain't gonna be no target no more. So and it comes with targets, and so he'll have plenty of targets to shoot. I'll buy him some more targets so he can shoot that instead of me. So you got anything else to tell him then? Thank you for watching, and y'all like, comment, subscribe. You'll be doing more videos.
I will do more of these if I get more of them. Just we'll see. We'll probably continue this on Christmas, but if not, he's gonna be making more videos.
Yep. So y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We out.
Funny Bone and Devin, love y'all.
We out.
We out. Peace.